Ready for this? Must have fixed it.
Yeah, that's the spot.
Wasn't too bad, right?
No. First time I went to go do that, I was on an analog bike.
That was already suck.
I was like, and I didn't know where it went, so I was like, yeah, I'm not exploring this goat trail going up when I don't know where it goes.
All right.
But yeah, I come across from there, ride that over here.
Oh, is that where you come down?
What's that?
That's where you come down into it?
No, well, that goes to tractor. I mean, it goes up that rusty tractor, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, that does right there?
That does there. This is what will take you over here. And if you stay going on that through that little valley spot,
yeah,
takes you to the top. But if you go to the right, it'll go back a little ways, and you'll make your second left, I think, and then that will basically do a fire road. If you stay to the left of every intersection, you'll end up on Rattlesnake.
Yeah.
If you stay to the right, it'll dump you. It'll go parallel to where Rattlesnake will be,
on the road.
and it'll take you down to the fire road, the same spot, but further to the right of where we came out of.
But if you go up here a little bit more, you go down to the right. There's like a 3-mile single track that goes down.
That's Chivo.
Is that Chivo?
Yeah.
For some reason they call it Pucker, but you know how people's names are.
That's what I'm saying. Depending on who you talk to, where you go, where you're from. So then so you've been down that direction. That's the one I've only done once.
Yeah.
But I've always climbed it to get to here and then go up, or I come down this.
So the tractor's over here.
Yeah.
How you feeling? That was a climb.
Even with this, I haven't been on the bike since New Year's. Since I crashed.
What'd you do?
We were going down Spectrum.
Yeah.
And I decided to go, instead of roll off a rock, I didn't want to get hurt. So I chose to go to the left. Front tire hit a rock. Darted it this way to go off the mountain. I tried ditching the bike. Landed with my shin on a rock.
Ouch.
So
that was the owie.
Did you break anything or no?
No.
That's a good thing.
Luckily I didn't break anything, but it leg swelled up, retained water, you could push on it, it stayed indented. It started a whole fucking problem.
Oh shit.
So I haven't been on the bike.
Until we take you on this uphill. You're like, what the fuck, dude? It's good.
I'd rather get thrown into the wolves than, you know, not thrown in at all.
How far is the tractor back from this?
Not very far. It's probably like, you probably pedal almost the same that you just did here to get to there. And then from there, if you want to continue, someone made little BMX or for 27.5 tires, little mini jumps coming back. But if you go over and go past it, you can ride the ridge and go that direction, and it'll basically bring you back to, if you were to take the fire road from all the way Llajas all the way to the gate. If you take this, it'll loop you back around to
the gate that comes through the housing over there.
Yeah. I did it once. It wasn't all that great. It was mostly just exploring to see, because we had the e-bike. I'm like, let's just go back there and see.
All right.
But nothing to get excited over.
Yeah, we rode this whole thing, and then I think we came down that Chivo.
Yeah. Because
it comes out where we were just at, where we took to go to that lower half of Rattlesnake. Right?
Well, this doesn't. It'll bring you to it. This trail, if you take this trail down, it'll take you down to the same fire road that will take you back, which we call Lollipop.
Okay.
If you were to come off Tapo Canyon, before you hit the golf course, there's a little entrance. You can come from there, ride the ridge in a loop and double back. But this, at the end of this, if you go right, it'll take you to that. If you go here and you go left, you'll pass those little oil pits on the sides of the trail, which will take you out to Yosemite, essentially.
By the dam over there.
And then you go left to hit the dam.
Okay.
And then you'll be on that side for where Rattlesnake is.
Yeah, then I don't remember exactly where John took me, because we did all that.
But if you didn't go down that single track to that fire road, and you went up and you did the ridge line, that ridge line takes you to where we just were.
Okay, then that's the way we went, because we had he had to actually move the freaking brush.
Yeah.
To find the trail, because it was overgrown.
Yeah, the first part you come to, it's a shitty single track pedal climb up that's like really overgrown. I like it going that way, but everybody I go with is like motherfucking it. But I go it because it's just, I like a longer run downhill. You can stay on the single track Chivo, and then cut in left, and it bypasses the top of the ridge section.
Okay.
I just like going up to the top of the ridge, but it's definitely easier just to go past it and then go up.
Because that downhill we did was nice and smooth and flowy.
Yeah.
It was nice. So.
Then that was the ridge that you did.
Okay.
Most like, if you didn't pass any oil spills on the right side, then you rode the ridge down.
Yeah, I don't remember oil spill.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's big oil drain or whatever areas over there.
It just comes from the ground, it seeps up.
Just like, when we do the 10-mile climb up the mountain.
Yeah.
That's a nice ride.
Because I think a lot of people call that clappers, but then if you
Clappers
ride
over there though. That's I was calling that
Pucker. So clappers is also what people call
That's the one that's got all the little bridges and shit.
yeah,
there.
little bridges and the little wood feature you come off at the end. That's also called something else. I think some people, if I'm talking to different people, they confuse like pucker and clappers, the names mixing and flip-flopping of where each spot is. But as long as you can describe the trail and you know the trail, then that's the trail we're going to.
Right.
I don't care what you call it, that's where we're going.
Right.
Well, to the tractor?
Yeah, let's go up there and check it out. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Still got to do an hour of cleaning when I get home.
An hour of cleaning?
Yeah, every Saturday we get the boys, because the boys don't like to clean. So we tell them they have to do an hour of cleaning every Saturday morning. So, all 4 of us, we all clean for an hour.
There you go. Ooh. Old shit.
Yeah.
Like, how the fuck did it even get up here?
I have no idea. The cool with the rock though is all the same thing that seashells.
Yeah, I see seashells in them.
Yeah.
That was a climb?
Huh?
That was a good one.
Yeah.
All right. You doing? Got one more guy back there. There's one more guy back there. How's that?
Just make sure you see the turn left because it does go right if you go that way.
Sai, we don't see you.
He might have kept going straight over the mountain the other way. It comes to a fork up here.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I hear him.
Let me go check on it. Yeah. Sai, come back.
I'm the last one.
Jeremy, go left when you get there.
Go left, okay?
Yeah. Which way are you guys going?
Oh, we
You going this way?
to the mines.
To the tractor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it
Oh,
this way?
I might hear somebody up ahead of us.
You okay?
Yeah, just
Getting back in it?
slow and sexy, as I say.
That's all right. I like it.
Trying to conserve battery, as I always do,
All right.
because I got anxiety about battery. My legs are gonna hate me later.
Oh yeah.
It's all right, I'll have a talk with them.
Yeah. Up in the clouds. Oh, look at that.
Old rusty tractor.
There's another guy back there. That's crazy. What the hell are they doing back here? Mining or something? There's a mines back here?
Something, yeah.